We are here on Whangara, we're on the marae for a Maori leadership group development opportunity for our Lower North Island managers. This morning we've had a very interesting session just going around doing our pepeha, our individual stories and sharing them with one another.
People have just really opened up about who they are and their own journey, and that's kind of enough to start the whole ball rolling. I think there's a real excitement in there about where this maybe could go.
We're using horses to teach people more about themselves in regards to sort of building relationships, setting up trust and respect, how they carry themselves to become more self-aware of themselves, of their energy levels, a whole range of different things.
Animals throw the full test on you and make you really dig deep, become more assertive and clear in your instructions, all the values that we need to portray as a manager that we sometimes let lapse is reminded to your head.
Who do you think looks like they're in charge there? The horse. It's so obvious, isn't it? There, the horse is almost nudging you in the direction he wants to go.
Yep.
From day one, I started taking back a more positive attitude for being recognised in the workplace and trying to uphold myself as a Maori in the workplace.
Everyone has potential, and I think this course has brought out the potential in each and every one of the participants. The growth from day one to today has been absolutely transformational.
I think the group are very much grounded now, and it's about knowing who they are, where they come from, and about what they stand for.
Every one of us is now talking as a family, we're whānau, we're brothers and sisters, and we're there to guide and support each other.
When I was first nominated for this, I kind of thought, nah, it's not me. Yes, I'm a leader, but I didn't really see myself as a Maori leader. But having done this, I actually feel like a Maori leader, and I actually feel like I've got something to give back to young Maori, and I look forward to bringing them through.
I've come away thinking that my work colleagues are also my whānau, and that with the support that I've received, with the awhi that I have felt from the Māori Leadership Group, I can do anything.